Okay, so in this video, we're going to continue on with the last one. I was mentioning I'm giving away my hostas to my neighbor, and I showed you where I was going to plant them. And this one, I'm going to show you actually how to dig them up. And since I'm holding my rake, you can guess that my first point is to say, clear the area, make it a little easier for you to find the plants that you're going to dig up. So I'm going to do just that. Okay, so there we go. I've cleaned up the little area here, and it's a lot easier to see the plants that I'm going to dig up. Now, gardening is all about tools, hand tools, and having the right ones. Now, these are two of my most used shovels. This one is called an edger. I use it for edging my gardens as well as other things. I'm going to be splitting the hostas, and this is a great shovel for that. And this is my transplant shovel. It's very narrow and it's very long. So that allows you, when you're digging in plants, digging holes, and moving things, to really get down and get all the roots. So I'm going to begin with my transplant shovel, and I'm going to circle around my hostas and get ready to dig them up. So it's pretty easy to see the hosta that I'm going to be digging up here. And when I'm digging it up, I will pull my shovel out about 1.5 inches or so away from the plant, and then I begin on a slight angle, pushing it in nice and deep, and I'll give it a little wiggle there. Okay, so let's get the rest of this hosta out of the ground. As you see here, my plant is quite large. I found a couple little sprouts out here, so I went a little further around there. And again, when you dig your shovel in, give it a bit of a wiggle, and that'll help kind of loosen the plant up. This thing is huge, and by getting the shovel right under it, it makes it a little easier for lifting up. Okay, you can see this is quite large. So the next thing you do is, after you get it out of the ground, these are very, very hardy plants, so you can be not so delicate with them. But you bang it on the ground, and you get as much dirt off as you can. And after about 2 minutes of banging, I've taken out about two-thirds of that big mass that I had a second ago is all loose soil that I'll put back in my hole. And then I'm left with a much more easy to handle load for my hostas. Now I'm going to show you how to split them. Oh, but in my next video, I'm out of time.